Good morning, Pak Suryadi. My name is Jen Baisa and my friend is Kirana Aulia. We are from LC11. We would like to present to you about Information System Security, e-Government for Sustainability, a dual path of IIS influenced by institutional isomorphism. First, I would like to tell a little about the introduction. So, what is e-government? E-government for sustainable development has been recognized an international cooperation strategy to accomplish green governance through citizen-oriented service delivery, citizens' active interactions, and participations, innovative, effective, and high-quality public service. Information system security is crucial in e-government sustainability. Information in ISS continuous organizational and administrative process included by technological innovation. Information security may cause any damage such as tension on trust, complex financial, political, economic losses may result.
The theoretical model and the hypothesis. There are the various factors that affecting ISS users' completion behavior in external literature, such as criminal perspective, deterrence, and etc. 2. Institutional theory can be useful to understand ISS innovation in the context of organizational change. 3. The current study uses dual path models to focus on how external pressure influence organizational change and behavior. The relationship among the model's constituents and their influence on ISS effectiveness were also examined.
So for the three types of isomorphism and their influence on government's organization, so I would like to start from the normative isomorphism. Normative isomorphism is derived from organizational actors' professionalization in terms of educational and training backgrounds and membership in the same professional communities. Organizational actors' professionalizations result in similar professional insights, models, and normative rules due to these actors, similar dispositions, opinion, and orientations. It also promotes interaction among professionalized intra- and inter-organizational actors. So for the coercive isomorphism, it stems from both formal and informal institutional pressures. Cultural expectation also function as coercive on the organizational fields. Purported social network. Climatic isomorphism uses uncertainty that demands substantial research, plays a critical role, is typically diffused. Model themselves after all the organizational technology, innovation, policies, and practices.
And next is theoretical model and hypothesis dual path. Legitimacy path, isomorphism, legitimacy, and OCB for effectiveness. It is a well-known proportion that isomorphism leads to legitimacy. Strategy approach notes that organizations use legitimacy as an operational resource to help achieve their objective and goals. Such an integrate the two view to define legitimacy as the generalized perception or assumption that the action of an entity are desirable, proper, or appropriate within some socializing constructor of system norms, belief, and definition.
So there are 14 hypotheses that has been discussed on that research. So these are the result of the 14 hypotheses.
So the conclusion is ISS as one of important issue of e-government for sustainable development. The normative isomorphic force is most influential on ISS effectiveness among the three social forces. OCB is stronger than the path through organizational Zionism and CWB. Coercive force also has a favorable effect on the establishment of ISS legitimacy and the reduction of organizational Zionism regarding ISS innovation-related organizational change. 5. Mimetic isomorphism did not lead to ISS legitimacy in our study. This may be because mimetic pressures such as adapting new system. Next, coercive and normative isomorphism promotes decentralization, which encourages bottom-level power and voluntary participation. Coercive force in practice may lead to mimetic institutionalization, as details of policies and practice might not be clearly defined. Authorities, coercive direction, or this might be subject to normative discussion and refinement through networks of cohort groups. Thus, These forces might relate to each other either sequentially or in time. And this is the infographic for our group.